Alright, so before I get started with the video, I will be giving away the Albert Racing block out plate again. I did, choose another winner because the first winner I picked, I haven't been able to get in contact with them. It's been about 2 weeks now. So instead of just holding on to it, I just decided to draw names again and do the giveaway again. So the new winner of the emergency brake block off plate is Quad Brigade. So I will be getting in contact with you soon on some kind of way, so I could go ahead and get that block off plate to you. So thanks everybody for subscribing. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, what's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna show y'all how to install the front two links of your lowering kit on your Raptor 700. As you can see, I did do that side already. I'm gonna show y'all the process installing it on this side. It's gonna be the same for both sides, but I went ahead and did that side first. And you will need a jack, or you will need something to get your four-wheel in the air. So the first thing you want to do, you want to loosen the stop bolt right here that's holding the bottom of your shop, but keep that bolt around because you will need it once you put the lowering link on. So I'm gonna take this off real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get this part on camera as best as I can. So now I'm gonna put the link where it needs to go on the A-arm. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to pull up on your A-arm a little bit so you can get this in. So I got the link in, so the only thing left to do now is bolt it up. Okay, so this is where your stop bolt comes back into play. So you're gonna use this bolt right here. It's gonna mount right here on your A-arm. It's gonna go through here on the back, on the bottom of the lowering link. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to raise up on your A-arm again, and you may have to use the back of your finger to position the lowering link, to get it positioned so you'll be able to push the bolts between the holes. So like I said, I'm recording by myself, so I'm gonna try to get this on camera as best as I can. Just gonna raise up on your A-arm again. And then I got that in. So this is the bolt that came with the lowering kit. So you're gonna put this bolt right here. It's gonna go between the bottom of your shop, and it's gonna go through these two holes right here. So I'm gonna have to lift up on my A-arm one more time so I can position the holes in place to get the bolt in. Alright, so I got the two bolts in. So the only thing left to do now is go to the back and tighten them up with these two. Okay, so once you get these two bolts mounted, only thing you have to do is just come to the back and bolt them down. Pretty simple. So after that, the only thing left to do is just drop it down. That's it. As y'all can see, I got the front two lowering links on. Yeah, it is a little dirty because I have been riding it, but pretty simple install. So now I'm gonna go down to the road and test it for y'all real quick. Give y'all a little short clip of that. Okay, so as y'all can see, you can almost gun it as hard as you want to from the line with the lowering links on, at least in the front anyway, and it would barely come up. So I'm gonna show y'all what happened. I guess 2 days before I put the lowering links on, I'm gonna show y'all what happened. So watch these two clips right here. Get ready! Get ready! Okay, so as y'all seen on those two clips, without the lowering links or a lowering kit, you know, it's a possibility that you will pop up. So the lowering link should help a lot, especially, you know, if you like to race, you know, and do things like that. But they do also help with the handling too. The Raptor does handle better, I can say that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna flip or tip over, you know, with every turn, so I can say that. And an update, I did talk to Lone Star Racing. They said it'll be about 10 weeks before the A-arms come in. So I don't know. I don't know if they come in already powder coated, you know, to them and then they ship them out, or will they have to powder coat them when they get there? So either way, I'm gonna be waiting a while. So that's an update on that. So just thanks for watching. Do not forget, I will be giving away a full lowering kit, you know, when I hit 300 subscribers. So just like, comment, subscribe, you know, share the video. Thanks for watching.